The Tesla Cybertruck has sparked a range of strong opinions among car enthusiasts, with some disliking Elon Musk or questioning electric vehicles, while others are captivated by its unique design and capabilities. Despite its appeal, owning a Cybertruck in the UK is challenging, requiring modification to meet strict road regulations and presenting several legal and logistical barriers. In 2005, the Cybertruck's popularity began to wane, with some owners trading their trucks back to Tesla as the company sought to control the second-hand market and discourage online resales. As rival electric and hybrid vehicles expand across Europe and Asia with fewer obstacles, the Cybertruck faces decreasing demand, in part due to its unconventional design and difficulty in legalizing it for European roads. Since its production in late 2023, only a small number of Cybertrucks have reached the UK and Europe, where the trucks have encountered resistance from authorities and raised concerns about pedestrian safety. A notable incident occurred in 2025 when police in Greater Manchester removed a Cybertruck from the road, citing safety worries and emphasizing the heightened scrutiny of such vehicles by law enforcement. The Cybertruck's rear lights, which display only red for both indicators and brake lights, conflict with UK rules that require amber indicators, highlighting regulatory inconsistencies. Additionally, the truck's size and weight, over 3,500 kilograms, place it in the same licensing category as ambulances, requiring drivers to undergo extra training to operate it legally. Importing a Cybertruck to the UK adds layers of complexity, as not all approved inspection centers can accommodate a vehicle of its size and mass. Obtaining the appropriate license mandates specialized courses, erecting yet another barrier for prospective owners, many of whom find the process daunting or impractical. European rules for pedestrian protection demand any protruding parts have a 3.2 millimeter radius, but the Cybertruck's 1.4 millimeter stainless steel panels make compliance fundamentally impossible without a major redesign. Tesla has admitted that, unless modified, the Cybertruck cannot meet Europe's safety benchmarks, making it ineligible for sale without significant changes. Elon Musk has hinted at a future Europe-ready version, but Tesla's own executives warn that American demand will take priority over new launches abroad for the foreseeable future. Tesla Australia's leadership echoes this sentiment, indicating that the Cybertruck's arrival depends on shifting production timelines and market focus, and is not guaranteed soon. With more competitors entering the EV space, Tesla now faces added pressure, especially as Musk pivots company goals towards autonomous driverless vehicles and advanced mobility solutions, which could diminish attention on unique models like the Cybertruck. This strategy of exclusivity, common among global luxury car brands, may influence Tesla's roadmap, enabling it to focus on select markets and cutting-edge innovation rather than mass-market expansion. Whether the Cybertruck ever becomes a common sight on British or European roads remains uncertain, due to these stringent laws and Tesla's shifting priorities. In a rapidly evolving automotive landscape, only time will tell if the Cybertruck can successfully overcome regulatory challenges and regain momentum outside the US. The story of the Tesla Cybertruck highlights broader themes in the transition to electric and autonomous vehicles, underlining how innovation, regulation, and consumer demand shape future mobility. Will the Cybertruck adapt to European standards and reclaim its buzz, or will it remain an American icon? Let us know your thoughts, and stay tuned for more updates on Tesla and the future of electric vehicles.